The Monarch Capital Management Inc. holds 17,884 shares with $1.87 million value, down from 23,717 last quarter. Xylem Inc. now has $11.95 P valuation. The stock decreased 0.70%, or 53 cents during the last trading session, reaching $75.65. About shares traded. Chevron Corporation, New York Stock Exchange CVX, has risen 6.68% since November 1, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 2.75% the S&P 500. Finally, Leerink Swann reaffirmed a hold rating and set a $34 target price on shares of Astrazeneca PLC in a report on Thursday, June 16. This is minus 1.92% from the last price. Astrazeneca PLC, New York Stock Exchange AZN, had its price target upped by equities research analysts at Leerink Swann from $31 to $34 in a research report issued to clients and investors on Monday, October 23. AstraZeneca PLC, AstraZeneca, is a biopharmaceutical company. The firm has a market capitalization of $87.78 billion, a P/E ratio of 22.74, and a beta of 0.76. The company focuses on the discovery, development, and commercialization of prescription medicines, primarily for the treatment of diseases in various therapy areas, including respiratory, inflammation, autoimmune disease, cardiovascular and metabolic disease, CVMD, and oncology, as well as in infection, neuroscience and gastrointestinal areas. Zacks Investment Research lowered shares of AstraZeneca PLC, New York Stock Exchange AZN, from a hold rating to a sell rating in a research report published on Tuesday. Therefore 55% are positive. HSBC Holdings plc set a GBX $4,154.10 price target on AstraZeneca plc and gave the company a sell rating in a research note on Tuesday, August 8. The average stock price target is 61.96 GBX, with 4 brokers rating the stock a strong buy, 14 brokers rating the stock a buy, 13 brokers rating the stock a hold, 2 brokers rating the stock a underperform, and finally 1 broker rating the stock a sell. AstraZeneca plc had 568 analyst reports since July 23, 2015, according to Stratton Xintel. Sanford C. Bernstein set a GBX $5,780.76.27 price target on AstraZeneca plc and gave the company a buy rating in a research note on Monday, September 25. Deutsche Bank maintained the shares of AZN in report on Tuesday, November 17 with buy rating. The firm has neutral rating given on Wednesday, May 18 by JP Morgan. The stock has hold rating by Nordea on Wednesday, January 13. The rating was maintained by UBS on Wednesday, November 25 with buy. Jefferies has hold rating and GBX 5300 target. The firm has overweight rating given on Friday, August 19 by Morgan Stanley. AutoIMune maintained the stock with neutral rating in Tuesday, January 12 report. About 560,355 shares traded. The original version of this piece can be viewed at https://www.dispatchtribunal.com/2017/1/0/AstraZeneca-PLC-AZN-stock-rating-reaffirmed-buy-bearenberg-bank.html. It is underperformed by 16.70% the S&P 500. AstraZeneca plc, New York Stock Exchange AZN, last released its earnings results on Thursday, July 28. During the same quarter previous year, the firm earned $1.21 EPS. AZN's profit will be $6.29 million for 2,551.50 PE if the 50 cents EPS becomes a reality. North Star Investment Management Corporation owns 82,625 shares, or 0.28% of their U.S. portfolio. Nasdaq LRCX, staked by 50,000 shares to 50,000 valued at $7.07 million in 2017 Q2. It also reduced DuPont EI Denemers & Company Com, New York Stock Exchange DD, stake by 10,876 shares and now owns 16,962 shares. Nevada SAG, ADRA, New York Stock Exchange NVS, was reduced to. Investors' sentiment decreased to 0.88 in 2017 Q2. It's up 0.34 from 0.86 in 2017 Q1. 62 funds opened positions, while 169 raised stakes. 261.28 million shares, or 1.13% less from 264.26 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Brandes Investment Partners Limited Partnership reported 126,824 shares, or 0.17% of all its holdings. First Trust Advisors LP invested 0.09% of its portfolio in HCA Healthcare Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange HCA. Mutual of America Capital MNGMT Limited Liability Company reported 0.02% of its portfolio in Xylem Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange XIL. Clear Capital owns 4,396 shares, or 0.04% of their United States portfolio. Monarch Capital Management Inc. sold 5,833 shares as Chevron Texaco, CVX, stock declined 3.45%.